Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a sketch animation video in Premiere Pro. First, open Premiere Pro and start a new project. Import all your sketch assets, making sure they are well organized in layers from your design software. Then, create a new sequence. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth workflow, so take your time to get everything in order before you begin animating. Now, let's bring your sketches to life. Use keyframes on your timeline to animate movement, size, and rotation. For finer control, especially with anchor points, the transform effect is incredibly useful. Remember to adjust the ease in and ease out properties of your keyframes. This simple step makes your animations look much more professional and less robotic.
Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this guide on sketch animation helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. And on another note, for all your creative inspiration, why not read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite? It's perfect for diving into new ideas. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video.
To truly make your sketch animation pop, consider adding visual effects. Effects like roughen edges can give your digital sketches an authentic, hand-drawn feel. Don't forget the power of sound. Adding appropriate sound effects and background music can dramatically improve your video's impact. Also, play around with blending modes for creative visual results. As you near completion, pre-compose complex groups of layers to maintain a clean timeline. This helps manage your project efficiently. Always render a preview of your work often to catch any timing issues or glitches early. Finally, export your masterpiece. Choose a high-quality format like H.264 for excellent results when sharing your sketch animation with the world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.